Fasting, it's a hot topic in health and wellness for very good reason. And it's nothing new. It's something we've been doing since the beginning of time, and we do it on a daily basis. See, there are many different levels of fasting that can promote all kinds of different science-backed benefits, from brain health, cognitive function, reducing many risk factors of diseases, especially ones related to inflammation, can improve digestive health and allow the body to go through its natural repair process. So all of these great benefits don't get that much attention because they don't benefit big food companies and big pharma spending all these ad dollars. Yet there are universities and giant teams and doctors all over the place dedicating their whole careers to researching the benefits of fasting and how people like you can use it as a tool to improve mental clarity, reduce inflammation, and reduce the overall likelihood of common diseases and factors that lead to them. As a researcher, investigator, and journalist, it's my duty to bring to you the experience and the research in a summarized, easy, digestible form. So I myself have tried many different forms of fasting, from intermittent fasting and time-restricted eating to taking a full 24-hour and a 36-hour fast. Yet I kept hearing more and more research and seeing the benefits in going longer in like a 3 or 4 day water fast, which is challenging. And the idea of a challenge is exciting. And I came along the research of Walter Longo out of USC in the longevity department of a fast mimicking diet that provides the benefits that you get from a 5-day water fast, yet you can eat a reduced amount of calories so it's easier to maintain over a period of time. I was skeptical. I read a lot of reviews, did a lot of the homework, I looked over all the studies, and it seemed very promising. People were doing this and saying that they were losing 5 to 6 pounds, they had more mental clarity and energy, it gave them a break from the cravings and the carbohydrates and sugars, which makes sense when you're depriving yourself of those foods. I like the challenge of using the discipline to go through this, and I tried it out. I was skeptical that I was going to lose muscle, that it was going to be a huge challenge, I wasn't going to be able to be productive, and there was times where it was extremely challenging, but it provided me a great jumpstart and a reminder of the power of fasting. And some of the benefits that I noticed was I was sleeping better, maybe because my digestive system wasn't busy processing a ton of food. I had more mental clarity, especially towards the end as I adapted more to fat as fuel. And then the following few days, I felt like I was just supercharged. I think my body had hit the reset button. That being said, I think that there is good reason to look into different forms of fasting as a regular practice to give yourself a break. We know that when we can go without something, our body can reset different pathways and different factors that can help us, whether it's jumpstart in new behaviors or simple long-term health, strengthening our health at the cellular level. Like anything in life, there are right ways and wrong ways to go about different methods such as fasting. So if there's any sort of eating disorders, you're going through pregnancy or high stressful environments, it's best not to experiment with fasting. You certainly can do all your research, and when you're at a healthy state, look into something. But the fasting that goes for as long as 3-4 days has incredible power of clearing out all of the old waste and unhealthy cells in our body so that our body can rejuvenate and grow back stronger, produce its own stem cells. I mean, the body's the greatest adaptation machine, and it's our best method at staying healthy when we learn how to utilize it and take care of it and use it at its optimal level. Through my experience, I've realized it's something that I'm going to continue to practice at least multiple times per year. It's a reminder to change things up and creates a better awareness around what we're eating, and depriving myself of exercise for that period of time and my favorite foods helped me appreciate those that much more. And I encourage my family and friends to consider an option like this. Now, fast mimicking diet can come in pre-packaged types of foods, or there are a lot of resources online that we can recreate this with specific amount of nutrients that you're getting from, you know, a couple soups and maybe some green juice, or, you know, an avocado, and there's a lot of different resources which I'll provide some links here. But I hope that sparked your interest in to at least being more open-minded to different health methods. It's good to take a break, and we can reprogram ourselves to grow younger and feel better. So hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.